Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Honda Accord 1.5 engine liter right now. So working on my girlfriend's car. So right now the problem is it's having valve cover leak. You guys can see it start the valve cover. It start leaking down. You can see the oil is running down. And then from the back here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it starts running out, start leaking out slowly. So I'm replacing the valve cover gasket. First thing first, you guys want to take out all the bracket bolt, all the 10mm, whatever that's on the valve cover, and then take out your ignition coil, remove the front bracket mount right here, and then get the harness out of the way. You're gonna move the hose right here, and then one of the holes in the back right here, the PCV. Now I took everything out. I removed the two vacuum hose, and then move it out of the way. Move the harness out of the way here. Disconnect everything that's on top of here. Take out the coil. For the bolt right here, if you guys want to remove the bracket, there's a 12mm down here. Just hit it and move it out of the way. I think this one I can just sneak it out. So whatever is next will be on the valve cover bolt. All the bolts that are around the valve cover. Oh, I gotta take this one out too. So I'm gonna remove all the bolt and the hose to get the valve cover out. I got all of the valve cover bolts out already, all around. What you're gonna do is you're gonna shove a flathead. You're gonna shove a flathead in here like this, and then just kind of pop up the valve cover on the four corner, and then you can. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna scoop this out. There you go. That's the whole valve cover gasket right there, and that's the old gasket sitting on the cylinder head right there. I'm gonna take it out, scrape out the surface, clean it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a razor, scrape out the old silicone like this. Don't let it drop inside. Like, scrape all the silicone on the corner, and then when you put in the new gasket, make sure you put the silicone around that corner, the same spot, so that way it doesn't leak out. This is the timing cover where it joins together with the cylinder head. That's where you're gonna put the silicone. I'm just gonna scrape it off and clean the surface. Now for the valve cover, this one does not come with the spark plug gasket seal. The gasket here, for some model, it will have like 2 bolts right here for you to take out, or you have to buy a new valve cover because it comes with the valve cover here. There's no way to get it out, but when I checked it before I remove it, there's no rip, nothing. There's no oil leaking into the spark plug at all. So if you want to replace the spark plug seal right here, you gotta call up Honda. They might sell it together with the whole valve cover. I remember I called them once, it was like 2 years ago. You have to buy the whole valve cover with the spark plug tube seal, but this one only comes with the gasket. Oh, I just dropped it. And the part number for this one, that's the brand, and that's the part number right there. And this is the gasket, just a gasket only, no spark plug tube seal. And at the same time, since I'm here, I'm checking 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna take out 4. I'm gonna check that one also. But this engine here is known for blown head gasket on cylinder 2 and 3, because the cylinder wall is too thin, and on the gasket is way too thin. Over time it gets too hot because the turbo is mounted right in the middle on the 2 and 3. It gets melted right here on the gasket, and it'll leak in. So right now there's no oil leaking inside at all. I already put the camera in. There's no coolant or nothing, so it's still good, but I'm still scared because this engine is well known for head gasket on 2 and 3. It's very bad. And the injector, they're also bad too. They're bad half of the time, but most of the time will be cylinder 2 and 3 overheat. The spark plug here, they're good. This is 3, 2, and 1 NGK. So that's it. Checked it, everything is still okay. I'm gonna put in the new gasket into the valve cover. So I put in the new valve cover gasket already. For the spark plug tube seal, I put a little bit of grease, so that way when I slap it down, it doesn't get catch onto the tube and ripped. And you guys can see I clean out the surface already, put new silicone on each corner like that, just a little bit on the timing cover. Now I put back the valve cover gasket already. Since you're here, make sure you guys check the ignition coil. Make sure you check the boot right here. Make sure you check the spark plug boot right here. Make sure there's no rip, no crack, no damage. If it's good, just put it back. Tighten down all the valve cover bolts already. The valve cover bolt, you're gonna torque it down to 10 to 12 foot-pounds. Maybe 15, I'm not sure about 15, but 10 to 12 should be good enough. You don't want to tighten more than that because this is plastic. You're gonna crack it if you tighten it too much. But if you don't have a torque wrench, so this is how you're gonna feel how tight it is. Okay, so you're gonna tighten it down where it gets tight, where I can't turn it no more. That's tight. So you're gonna go a half of a quarter turn. So you're gonna go a little bit more, just tighten. That's about a half of a quarter turn. That should be good enough. That's how tight it is. A tight where you feel like, yeah, it's a good tight. That's a good tight right there. I got everything put back already. Just double check your work again. Tighten down all the bracket bolt. Check all the hoses, the PCV hose right here, the vacuum line in the back here, and there's one right here. Plug back all my connector already. Now you're just gonna start the car, check for leak. There's no leak, you're good. But I'm gonna do an oil change after this too. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. No, I'm out. Peace.